today I want to introduce the latest CNC model, okay? CNC model with face 3D face recognition door lock and work with Tuya Smart video talk, okay? This is aluminum material. You can see this design is high class, okay? Very precise, high class, elegant, okay? Even the keyboard, one key button for lock, one key button for unlock. This is stainless steel material, okay? Indoor here with high resolution, 4.5 inch big screen, very clear, okay? And outside the unlock place basically is fingerprint. Okay, my face, okay, maybe I did it quick. My face, okay, my face, and by password, and by swipe card, okay, one key for lock, that's all. The very important typical function is ring the doorbell. Okay, I already configured with Tuya Smart here. So, okay, ring the doorbell. Wait some moment. I got the video call. Okay, now I accept. Like this, and I can click here for video talk. Hello. Okay, it's page like this. Okay, this is video, but maybe the Wi-Fi signal is not so good in here, and we can unlock. Okay, this is unlock button in here. Can check. Okay. Unlock, long press to unlock. Okay, long press for unlock. Okay, and here, okay, this is the dashboard. And the long press here for lock the latch in here, okay? Okay, latch. And long press for unlock. Okay, this is video talk function, and we can unlock and lock from the application page. And you can see, we can check some login reviews video from the album, okay, like this.